Hi there. My name is Angela Kreisinger, and I'm a principal architect with STS. Today, I'm going to provide you with an overview of a customer experience solution that our organization built for the Department of Defense. Through a unique procurement process called Bid Day, STS was awarded a task order to replace an on-premise phone solution that serviced all the customer service areas in the base. We delivered this in less than 90 days.
The problems that they wanted to solve? The military base had grown exponentially, and the legacy solution was not able to scale. Patients who needed to speak with their healthcare providers had to endure wait times of over 30 minutes. Call quality and service interruptions were ongoing. And the legacy platform had limited functionality to mitigate these high call volumes. Additionally, the DoD's healthcare CRM system was being overhauled, which meant that the healthcare providers had no visibility into the patient who was calling in. Our solution focused on 4 components: collecting patient information, creating text messages as an interaction channel, enabling queued callbacks, and last, delivering the patient information to the healthcare resource fielding the contact. Traditionally, when STS works with the government, we attempt to optimize existing data sources by integrating CRM information into the contact journey. However, because of the DoD's EMR solution, Genesis, was not ready to use, we were left on our own to capture patient data. We modified the patient experience to collect that information using Amazon Connect and Amazon Lex, a natural language solution. It's important to note that STS built this experience to scale to a chat channel in the event that the government chose to enable one of those in the new EMR platform. The exact flows that were used to collect this information on a voice call could be used to collect that information in a chat interaction. The next functionality that we built for the 45th was the ability to change what mode of contact that patient used. More and more people are wanting to interact over text message. Using Amazon Connect and Amazon Pinpoint, we were able to offer the option to patients to go from voice to text. A common strategy to better the customer experience is queued callbacks. This feature allows the caller to disconnect but hold their place in the queue. With Amazon Connect, callbacks are natively available in the platform, so this work was what we call a low-code or no-code level of effort. The last component of the project was the development of a custom user interface that passed the patient data to the healthcare worker taking the call. With the limitations that came with working in GovCloud, this was the most challenging deliverable of the project. The traditional way of building a web app using AWS is to use CloudFront as your CDN, which stands for Content Delivery Network. Because CloudFront was not in the GovCloud region, we had to pivot and instead store the interface on S3 and use API Gateway to propagate the variables that were collected from the patient. In the end, the government found that they derived several benefits from this work, and we were able to complete it in less than 90 days.